What's up guys, how's it going today? Today we're going to be looking at BTC USD and I'm going to be looking at a couple of stuff, why I believe BTC is going to go down, why I'm so bearish on BTC still, and what happened to it and why it shoot up so high. But guys, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, as you can see the last video that I made, we identified ending the diagonal channel, correct? Let me just get my thing out. Okay, we identified, let's keep on making lower lows, correct? You can see let's keep on making lower lows. Now it's finally, don't want to make lower lows, it was keep on consolidating on that specific zone, correct? And then it broke out, correct? It broke out. Then, now, is that specific pattern finished? Did the pattern finish playing? Like, we take the back side, we take the from the top to the bottom and measure. Okay, let's measure. Is it finished? Is it finished? Yes, but with a candle wick. It's finished with a candle wick. But in general, the trade of the ending diagonal is finished. And normally, what I like doing, I like taking half of it. Correct? I'm taking like half. Let me just see quickly. Taking half of the percentage. There's somewhere out of 100, I like take 50. Correct? And 50, I would have been out to trade just right there. But guys, unfortunately, I did not take the trade. The reason is, as you guys can see in my previous video, is I want the market to go down to the previous support. And unfortunately, it runs short of going to that previous support. It just shot up and stuff. And I don't like buying stuff or just shooting up for no specific reason. And I believe that was just pure. I didn't look at the news so much, but I believe that was just pure pump. For my personal, I don't know what happened to the news, what happened. But yeah, for me personally, it's not at the buy zone as like I said, buy zone. Support for me is a buy zone. It just wasn't at the buy zone. Did we have a pattern? Did we have a pattern what you call playing? Yes, but I just don't feel comfortable playing that pattern. And that's why I don't play. At this moment, guys, we are about beautiful resistance, guys. We're resistance. I put resistance slash support. If you guys can see there. I put resistance slash support. Why resistance slash support? If you guys see, especially when I trade cryptocurrency, I always have a blue line in the middle. Blue line is both support and diversion. Sorry guys, both support. I'm thinking of diversion, MACD diversion. Okay, the blue line is both support and resistance. That means, as you guys can see, when the market was above the blue line, it acted as what? Support. When the market was below the blue line, what did it act? What is it acting at this very moment as? Resistance. And that's why my blue line is there. That's why it's not red or green. But now when it comes to red and green line, it's only resistance, only support. You understand? Especially when I'm trading that specific structure, it's only support and it's only resistance. Now the middle one can be both. That's how I trade. But basically, we identified the pattern, and some people did play the pattern out. Some people did buy and dig up. I'm happy for them, but it just didn't meet the requirements what I wanted. I wanted it by the support zone. But let's get into it. Let's get into what's going to happen to BTC at this very moment. Is it going to go up? Is it forming a flag structure? Is it forming a flag structure? What is going to happen to it? Okay, guys, as you guys can see, just looking at the chart and stuff, I'm very bearish on it at this very moment. I'm extremely bearish on it. The reason is that reason number one is by resistance zone, correct? Reason number two is keep on getting rejected by the resistance zone, and we buy that line. Let me show you guys. You see how I got rejected there and got rejected there. Where are we now? Won't it make sense why it's going to get rejected? Because you are by that zones where it always gets rejected. Won't it make sense getting rejected? Can we predict the market 100%? Can I put $1 billion on the line and say, okay, fine, I'm putting all my money on the line, it's going to go down? No. But the characteristics, if it's more in bearish favor, it's more, for me, the signs is more bearish and bullish. And that's where, of course, risk management comes in and stuff. For example, say, fine, it's bearish. I'll take a sell position. I'll short Bitcoin, and that's how much I'm willing to lose for that type of gains and stuff. And that's where risk management comes in, because it doesn't matter how good our strategy is and stuff. Sometimes you do lose because we predict the market, and we cannot be always 100% right at every time, correct? Now at this very moment, Bitcoin is getting rejected at that specific zones, correct? At that specific zone, Bitcoin is getting rejected. Now I believe personally myself, the only thing what's supporting it is the indicators. You can see the simple moving average, the blue line, and the EMA. It's 25. Yeah, 25. EMA is supported, but I see it's starting to break. As you guys can see there, let me just put my line up. It's starting to break the EMA line, showing more is going to go to the bottom. And you guys see how it's keep on making the candle wicks is keep on starting to go low. That was the previous low. Check out that candle wick went low to that candle wick is lower than the previous low. They're showing some signs of it's going to go down. And that's just giving some reasons why we're supposed to be bearish on Bitcoin, not bullish, correct? And if you guys zoom out and stuff, it just in general just makes sense. Makes sense in general. Resistance. Guess what happened to Bitcoin last time when it tried something like that? It came up, got rejected. They finally broke through. They came down, got rejected. They finally broke through, it came up 2 times and just got rejected. And that's what's happening to Bitcoin right now. It's just getting rejected at this very moment. And that's why I believe Bitcoin is going to go down. And let's quickly have a look in the smaller time frames, and let's identify what we see in smaller time frames. Is there anything to go off in smaller time frames? As you guys can see, like the width is getting lower, correct? It's starting to make a lower lows. Just look at the indicators, okay? Nothing on there. Just quickly see, but at the same time it can be at that specific zone. Just at that specific zone, it can also be a flag. The flag pattern can also break out to the top side. It can definitely be a flag pattern, definitely. But I'm just very bearish on it. I don't believe it's a flag pattern. Yes, it's the same structure, everything has a flag and stuff, but I believe the flag pattern is going to break to the downside. But no one knows. We'll just have to wait. To let it play out and see exactly. You see that flag pattern? It definitely can be a flag pattern. Look at structure. You see that structure? A beautiful flag. And guys know how to trade flags. You take the distance of the bottom and top, then you measure. Then we'll be coming to that specific zone. That's the highest. You see by resistance. Then normally, like once again, same example, same thing. I always take off. Then my profit will be there, just hitting the peaks of that line right there. Okay, but you can see Bitcoin it's beneath the EMA right this very moment, and we just have to watch the simple moving average. Correct, we have to watch it. But for me personally, I believe Bitcoin is going to fall back. Then what I will do is I'll just put a simple line up now. I'll just put a nice decent line up, just letting me know that. Let me make it a little smaller. Just letting me know that at that specific line there is sort of resistance. The bounce once, it went up. Then bounce a second time, then it went up. Just understanding that if it does come to that zone, I must just see what happens. Is it going to break out? Is it going to break beneath? But I'm hoping, the end result, I'm hoping is going to go to that low, to the support of basically the main support. I'm hoping it's going to go to the main support. And as you guys can see, if you look at the structure like that, correct? We just follow the waves to make sense while we pull down. We just have to follow the wave. And look there, another thing is, every time Bitcoin always shoots through, it shoots sharp through. Look there, it shoots sharp through. Also there, shoot sharp through and then consolidated. But there, the shoot on top, there's just consolidating there. Normally the structure, the characteristic is they must shoot sharp through and consolidate there and go further, or just start carrying up. But it didn't, and that's the structure, the characteristics of how the market pushes through the middle, support and resistance, is not there, and that's why I also believe Bitcoin is going to get rejected. But I have to say, it's getting nicely rejected at this very moment. As you guys can see, it's getting beautiful rejected. That would be like a sell entry for me at this moment. Just wait. I'll put my sell position right there. I'll take my losses right there. I want the full guys. Even when I do take my losses, I want the full body candle above that specific zone. I don't want that wicks taking me out. I want a full body candle, and that's why I exit manually. Never a stop loss, because I want the full body out of the support slash resistance. And yes, my TP will be my first level there, and my second level will be right there by the main zone. But yes, guys, you can see it's falling nice and decent. And let's just see what happened. I predicted. I took a photo of that picture. I took a photo a couple of days ago of that. Let's just see what happened, guys. But other than that, guys, Bitcoin's. I believe Bitcoin's going down. Let's just see what happens and stuff. That's my prediction. That's my 2 cents on Bitcoin. Let's just see if I'm right. Is it going to be a flag, or is Bitcoin going to break the flag structure and go down? You will find out in the next video. Bye, guys.